The error code 60 on a Canon camera indicates that an error occurred, preventing shooting, and it typically happens when the lens movement is impeded. This issue is often caused by obstructions on the moving parts of the lens. To resolve this error, start by performing a power cycle. Turn off the camera, wait for approximately 5 minutes, and then power it back on. Next, inspect the lens and its body for any blockages, and remove them if found. Ensure the lens is properly positioned and in place. If not, reposition or replace it. If the issue persists, try using a different lens that is compatible with the camera to determine if the current lens is faulty. If the lens is indeed faulty, consider replacing it with a new one. Additionally, cleaning the lens with a soft, dry cloth, particularly the contact area, may also resolve the issue. After cleaning, power on the camera and check if the error has been resolved.